Why are automotive sensor technologies such an integral part of the modern driving experience? It might not be something you think about often, but these intricate systems are the heart and soul of every vehicle on the road today. In the humble beginnings of the automotive industry, cars were purely mechanical beasts. Drivers had to rely on their senses and instincts to navigate the roads. But as technology evolved, so did the vehicles we drive. The first inklings of sensor technology in automobiles emerged in the mid-20th century, with simple systems to monitor engine temperature and oil pressure. As we moved into the late 20th and early 21st century, automotive sensor technologies underwent a period of rapid advancement. Cars started to incorporate advanced electronics, leading to the introduction of systems like anti-lock braking, electronic fuel injection, and airbag systems. Each of these innovations relied on sensors to monitor various aspects of the vehicle's performance and respond accordingly. Fast forward to the present day, and automotive sensor technologies have become even more sophisticated. These systems now monitor everything from tire pressure to the air quality inside the cabin. And with the advent of autonomous vehicles, the importance of sensor technologies has become even more apparent. These cars rely on a complex array of sensors to navigate the world around them, making decisions in real time that would have been unthinkable just a few decades ago. So, what does all this mean for the everyday driver? Well, it means safer, more efficient, and more comfortable driving experiences. It means cars that can warn you if you're drifting out of your lane, or automatically apply the brakes if they detect an imminent collision. It means vehicles that can adjust the cabin temperature to your liking, or even park themselves. To summarize, automotive sensor technologies have come a long way since their inception. They started as simple systems to monitor engine health, but have evolved into complex networks that enhance every aspect of the driving experience. From safety features like anti-lock brakes and airbags, to comfort features like automatic climate control, sensors are the unsung heroes of the automotive world. And with the rise of autonomous vehicles, their importance is only set to increase. In the world of automotive sensor technologies, the only constant is change. As cars become more advanced, so too will the sensors that enable their functionality. So next time you hop in your car, take a moment to appreciate the sophisticated technology that's working behind the scenes to make your journey safe, comfortable, and efficient.